All right, so we'll go ahead and turn on the tablet. You will see it come to life. Up here, we also have any of our inputs, and we'll let the tablet boot up. Okay, initially, for setup, we're going to just swipe up. We're going to be on our main screen. First thing we're going to want to do is just check for updates, which we're going to do here. We're going to hit the gear, go into system settings, and we're going to connect the Bluetooth to the Wi-Fi. So we'll go here. We're already connected to the Wi-Fi, but obviously you would select your network, put in your password, and connect. And once you are connected, a couple things we're going to do when we first set up the tablet. We're going to come back to settings. We're going to go to activation. We're going to go ahead and hit this activate button. You're going to go ahead and put your email, phone number, telephone company name in here, and then you're going to hit save. You'll get a message that will say activation succeeded. Then you're ready to start using the tablet. One of the things you want to periodically do is check for updates. That would be right here. You press, since we're connected to the Wi-Fi, it'll reach out to our network at FCAR USA, and it will tell you if you have any downloads. We have a couple of updates here. All what you would need to do is start them from the very top. You start with the application, then the extension package. In this case, we've already connected to our VCI, and so there's no updates for any of that. You would start at the top, work your way down on the updates. If you hit this main update, it'll update all the vehicle databases.